Welcome back to our LittleHorse Advanced Concept Series. In this tutorial, we're delving into the concept of mutating variables in LittleHorse, which is essential for managing dynamic workflows in real time. For context, a WF spec in LittleHorse can define variables, which are just like variables in regular programming. Each WF run has its own set of variables which can hold different values. In this tutorial, we will show you how to modify the value of a variable during the workflow. If you're new to our series, be sure to review our previous tutorials for a complete understanding. Before we dive in, ensure you have the latest version of our project downloaded from our GitHub repository. We'll be working with the conditionals examples.java and incidentworker.java files. In conditionalsexample.java, we demonstrate variable mutation, a process where we update workflow variables based on task outcomes or external events. This capability allows our workflow to adapt dynamically as conditions change during its execution. Here in the interrupt handler, we're using the mutate method to change the value of the incident resolved variable. This kind of mutation is crucial for modifying the workflow's trajectory based on real-time events or outcomes of tasks. In the above code, we're passing a lambda function which takes a single argument workflow thread handler. Notice there are three arguments to the workflow thread mutate function: the variable we're mutating, the way we're mutating it, and the right-hand side, what we are mutating it with. In this case, we are assigning the value true to the incident resolved variable. For more context, check our docs on variable mutations linked in the video description. To observe variable mutation in real time, initiate a workflow run with the following command. Monitor the terminal where the task worker is running. Currently, you'll see the periodic check notification because the incident resolved variable is set to false. For variable mutation to fully work, we need an external event to be triggered. That's what we'll cover in the next tutorial, where we will change the status of incident resolved to true. Understanding variable mutation in LittleHorse is key to handling complex dynamic workflows, especially in scenarios like IT incident management, where conditions are always changing. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on mutating variables. In our next video, we'll explore how external events integrate into LittleHorse workflows and their impact on workflow management.